If you're experiencing menopause symptoms like hot flashes, irritability, brain fog, and exhaustion, then stick around because I'm about to offer you a solution that's raised concerns for women since the early 2000s. And spoiler alert, it's a bit controversial. Welcome back to Balance and Bloom 50 Plus. If you're new here, I'm Lori Westmiller, a mental health therapist passionate about supporting women through menopause and beyond by offering suggestions on symptom relief, weight loss, improving confidence, and learning to embrace this stage of your life. Today I'm sharing my personal update about my own menopause journey, one I think a lot of you will relate to. If you've been watching my channel, you know the struggles I've been having with managing menopause symptoms. We're talking hot flashes, night sweats, brain fog, mood swings. One minute I'm crying over a commercial and the next I'm sweating like I ran a marathon, all while sitting on my couch. Well, I'm here to let you in on my new little secret. I've officially started hormone replacement therapy, or HRT. A couple of days ago, I finally decided to see my OBGYN who specializes in menopause. And let me tell you, it was the best decision I've ever made. She really took the time to explain what stage of life I'm in, what's happening to my body, and how it all works. We had a great conversation about my menopausal symptoms and what options are available. And the best part? It wasn't just, here, take this medication. It was collaborative. We discussed it as a team, and it made me feel seen and empowered. I was able to ask a lot of questions and understand the possible outcomes and risks. So here's the plan we came up with together. In starting my HRT regimen, I'm taking one progesterone pill at night, and in 2 weeks, I'll add an estrogen patch that I'll change twice a week. So for those who are unsure, like I was, progesterone is typically given to perimenopausal and menopausal women to help protect the uterus and reduce the risk of endometrial cancer. However, since I had a partial hysterectomy, in 2012, this means I wouldn't normally need this particular hormone. But because my symptoms are so severe, often making it difficult for me to function well at work, the progesterone will offer hormone balance support, stability with changing moods, and bonus, it'll help with sleep. That's why it's often taken at night. So I'll start the progesterone first to ease my body into the change. 2 weeks from now, I'll add an estrogen patch that will tackle the classic menopausal symptoms. Hot flashes, night sweats, headaches, and mental fog, all that I've been feeling. It's all about getting my hormones back into a place that feels manageable and normal, whatever that's like. And here's my disclaimer. This isn't a decision I rushed into. I asked a ton of questions, did my research, and really listened to my body. And I want you to know, if you're dealing with symptoms that are interfering with your life, you're not alone, and you do have options. I'll be sharing how the HRT medication works for me, what I notice, how I feel, and any surprises along the way. Because this journey is different for every woman, I think the more we experience and talk about menopause and our options, the better supported we will all feel. So, if you've been curious about HRT or just want to hear how it's going from someone in the same stage of life, follow me on this journey. But remember, this video is not a substitute for education from your doctor. Always do your research and consult your physician before trying any new remedy, medicinal or natural. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Have you tried HRT? If so, did it work for you? Are there any questions you have about HRT and menopause? I'd love to hear your experiences and help you feel supported. Thanks for being here, and as always, take care of yourself. Keep blooming. Bye-bye, blooming beauties.